everyone. So welcome to Evelyn's Adventures. You're gonna be a dentist.
Yay, she's gonna be a dentist.
I'm gonna be happy.
You're gonna be happy?
Yeah.
Let's open that.
I want this.
Whoa, let's see what we got in there. Okay guys, we'll be right. So it only came with
A big Play-Doh.
a big Play-Doh and it's white.
And a little Play-Doh.
A little one, and this is orange.
It's orange.
Yeah. Another little one, and this is silver. I guess we can make the braces with silver color.
And the teeth.
Yeah, we're gonna make teeth, and it came with this little tool to make the braces. And a lot of cool little gadgets, because Evelyn's gonna be a dentist.
Yeah. And like you're gonna pull out this one.
Yeah. Oh, and it also came with a little toothbrush. So let's see how this works.
And you're gonna
See? We're gonna make our little Play-Doh. Okay, Evelyn, you ready to be a dentist again? Okay, so we're gonna get the little Play-Doh, the white Play-Doh.
And you're gonna get the little teeth.
Yeah, we're gonna get the little teeth. Wow.
That the Play-Doh is so cool.
Yeah. Look, so we're gonna get this one, and first we're gonna do the this behind. These are called the molars. Okay, wait, I'll show you. So first we're gonna make a little ball, right? And put it in there. And wow, look at that. And then we're gonna stick it right in there. Okay?
Okay.
You wanna try it?
Yeah.
Okay. There you go. Okay, high five. Okay, so we're gonna take it out. Make it nice and clean. You wanna put it?
Yeah. There.
Yay! Awesome. You ready to do more?
Yeah.
Okay. There you go. Oh wait, I think this is too big. There you go. Oh, what? You did do it. Look. You did a perfect job. Okay.
This is.
Okay, we're gonna put it right here. No, see? Right there. Okay?
Oh,
Yeah.
so cool.
Okay. Yep. Okay, remember how to close it? Uh-oh.
Oh.
We're gonna put this in there. Yep. And put it up. There we go. You got it, dude.
Yeah.
Can you need help?
I got it.
Okay.
Yeah.
Right there, yep.
Yay. And it got a instruction key right there.
Okay, now we have to do the top. So are you ready?
Set. Go.
Go. No, wait. We have to do more. Like these. Here. Mm-hmm. Did a good job. You're a good dentist.
We're all done.
We're all done.
Look,
This nice white teeth. But
this.
I think he needs braces.
Yeah.
Dun dun dun. Ready to make the braces?
Yeah.
Okay.
He's gonna put them.
Yeah, look.
Whoa! Oh, there's braces.
Yeah.
Let's have three.
So we're gonna go like that. We're gonna pat it down. Okay, Evelyn. Can you go like this? Make it rolling like this, okay? Go.
This one?
Mm-hmm. Hard. There we go. Good job.
Yay!
Awesome, dude. Give me 5 again.
So cool.
Uh-oh.
That looks so cool. Yay! I did it.
You sure did.
That's so cool.
Put like this. Okay? So
Yeah.
we're gonna do the rest.
Yeah.
Okay, doctor. Uh-oh. So, see? Let's take a look at it. I'll put it back. I'm gonna go this way. There we go. Uh-oh. There we go. You ready? Okay. You need to take the teeth out because I think that teeth is not looking good. You ready to take it out?
Yeah.
Okay. Oh, this one. Yep. Oh, wait. She has a cavity. You got it. Can you show it? Look at the cavity. Oh, yeah. No more candy, mister.
No more candy, mister.
Okay. You need to brush your teeth every day.
Yeah.
Let's brush his teeth.
Oh, red one.
Oh, yeah? You want red toothpaste?
Yeah.
Okay. Play-Dohs are hard. Here we go. There you go. Brush his teeth.
Okay.
Yep. You're doing a great job.
Okay.
Okay. Good job, Evelyn.
Yeah.
Yeah, now we need to put the rubber bands.
Yeah.
Yeah.
The rubber.
So I guess this is what we're gonna do. We're gonna put it right
There.
there. Wanna do one? Yeah?
Yeah.
Okay, you're gonna put it right here. Okay?
Okay.
Come on. There you go.
Hey.
Uh-oh, you need help?
Yeah.
Yeah, look. So we're gonna put it right here. Uh-oh. There we go. There, it looks perfect.
And you can put up this one.
Yeah. Here, you need a... Let's see. Go check if its teeth is clean.
rubber bands. Rubber band. There you go.
You did a great job, Dentist Evelyn.
Yeah.
You're a good doctor.
We need this one.
Yeah, okay.
Just the red one.
The red one? Okay. Take out the rubber bands.
Oh, that's another one right there.
Yeah, on the other side.
So I did it.
Okay, now you need to do the other one.
It's okay.
Oh no, it fell.
Bear down.
There we go. Oh no, it fell again. Oh no. Okay. You finally.
We're gonna take our food and eat it.
Okay guys, he's been eating so much food that he has food in between his teeth.
And right there.
Oh, and right there. Yeah, you ready to take it out, Evelyn?
Yeah.
Okay.
I see?
No. Oh no, it fell. No, we're gonna take it out like this, baby. Like that. That.
Yeah.
There we go. Ready? Go right ahead. See, mister, you've been eating a lot of candy. That's why your teeth are falling. Right, Evelyn?
Yeah.
Can I see your teeth? Oh, they're nice.
My shoes is cute.
Your shoes are cute too? Yeah, I love your shoes.